coaching thought for the day. Coming at you with a tacky Christmas dress on today. So the first time I interviewed for an instructional coaching position, there's more to that story, but the first time I interviewed, I was asked about strategies that I would use. I was interviewing for a K-12 math position as an instructional coach for an entire district, and they asked me about the strategies I would use, and I listed off a couple things, but I said, but really, I would first need to make sure that I was revisiting the content, because it's been a while since I've done calculus and algebra 2 and all those things. And the person interviewing said, no, Allison, just strategies. All that stuff doesn't matter. You can coach people without knowing the content and just do strategies. And in that moment, I decided I disagreed with that statement. And here, coaching for 6 years, I have confirmed that I still disagree with that statement. I think that to be an effective coach, you do have to have some content knowledge. You don't have to have all the content knowledge, and you can learn it on the spot. But just sharing that oftentimes, at least at the high school position, you have to have some content knowledge in order to successfully coach those teachers. Now, the great thing is, where those instructional masters that they know the content, and they can be the ones to tell it to you, even if it's just a nutshell. But I just really still believe you have to know some content if you are going to get the trust of teachers, and if they are going to buy into what you're saying. It has to be there.